What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this U-part wig from Luvme Hair. Luvme Hair did send me this wig, but all opinions are my own. I would never lie to you guys. First of all, can we talk about this packaging? By far the best packaging ever goes to Luvme Hair. They sent a flat iron, y'all, a flat iron, along with all these other accessories that I'm showing y'all. So yeah, this is a U-part wig. This is their body wave U-part in 18 inches. By the end of the video, you can see that I did end up cutting the ends just because they were a little thin and I wanted to have like a little blunt cut. Either way, it looks very natural. I love this. U-part wigs are, I guess, coming back now due to the whole lace shortage or whatever. But yes, I really did enjoy this wig. Super easy, real quick. Yeah, in real time, I'm pretty sure you guys can install this wig within like 15 minutes. The hair was super silky and soft. I love that. You can tell when I straightened it, it looked really nice after I got done flat ironing. I didn't use the flat iron that they sent me just because I wanted to use my own, but I'm sure theirs works just as fine. But yeah, this hair is really, really nice, guys. And after I cut it, I think the look just really, like, the blunt ends really tied it together. Like, it's giving silk press with a trim. So yes, that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will have a coupon code in the description along with the link to the hair. As always, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.
Damn it, Jack, how do you do that? Damn it, Jack, how do you do that?